This is the 16th day of the first month of the year 2022 in the Ozarks. We just had a mini blizzard yesterday. I mean, it rained for over 12 hours. Started early in the morning and then it stopped. It might have been 24 hours. But this is my driveway. So I don't think I'll be getting out of here today, which I don't need to because I'm really prepared, obviously. But there's my gate. And I measured it with a ruler. It's about 6 inches. It seems like it's 3 feet because I just kept shoveling snow, and it just seemed like it was 6 inches of snow. I shoveled like 5 times. But there we are. This is my driveway. That's what I was shoveling so I can get to the chicken coop to give them water and all that. Well, here a week or two ago we had 73-degree weather, and now it's as cold as Alaska.